Roger's playing about. Stop it. So I'm heading up to London today, and it's really handy having a hubby that can make beautiful sandwiches because I'm taking a little picnic with me. So avocado and chicken with mayonnaise is going to be one of them.
Oh, rubbish.
I won't mind, it's only for me. Somebody wrote and said we should try chicken and avocado, and it's not a normal one for us, so we're giving that a whirl. And I see a little bit of smoked salmon action going over there. And of course, as you know, we've got the world's old-fashioned doilies here. These are so hard to separate, they like to stick together, and you have to sort of peel them apart. But they're part of our presentation in our little picnic and afternoon tea boxes. And if you wanted us to send you sandwiches, you have to order a hamper. We don't just send a box of sandwiches. It wouldn't survive the overnight journey, can you imagine? But we send out hampers packed with afternoon tea, and the sandwiches are part of that. That's on our website, EnglishQueenTea.com. Thank you, Roger. That looks all right. Not a disaster. The trouble is, when you don't bind this sort of loose ingredient with mayo, it will fall apart. When you go to pick up the sandwich, you'll get bits rolling out. It seems from the thousands of comments, hundreds of thousands of comments, that our friends in America very rarely use butter on their sammies and mostly just use mayonnaise. Well, our afternoon tea hampers are made day one, go out by courier overnight to arrive the next day. And you can't just have mayonnaise. It won't keep the bread moist and fresh and lovely. And also butter helps to make the cutting sharper and neater. Plus, we Brits, we like the taste. And let me explain as usual. This is a Hovis seeded bread. These are not black pepper bits. This is just seeds in the bread. What else do I say every time? Roger's washed his hands. Clean hands are better than gloves. In fact, let me show you a tea towel. Our children had this made up as part of Roger's fun Christmas present. Funny boys. So seasoning, very much so. Chicken loves a bit of salt, and avocado can be a little bland. So if we had a vegetarian friend, we could just do avocado with tomato or something.
Or nothing.
Or nothing. But we do have vegetarian friends. I'm not having that attitude, young man.
Nothing.
Roger's girlfriend is vegetarian, and our other...
Which one?
Sorry. Not Roger.
Which one? That's why I said
George's.
which one.
I heard you.
Okay.
George's girlfriend's vegetarian. Edward's girlfriend is pretty much vegan.
What good's that?
That's just fine, and it gets you thinking outside the box.
Guess what?
Oh, drop it. People don't like you. Somebody wrote, "Do not slap my sandwich" last time. Roger misbehaved and patted this a bit too much. But anyway, I'm the one eating it, so no worries.
Right, this is for me, so this is my lunch because you're going...
Oh, I'm just getting that one.
Some of
What, you're getting chicken, avocado and smoked salmon? Oh, we could share. There's nothing wrong with sharing, you know. So I'm getting the white bread and you're getting the brown.
Yep.
Funny boy. Not so much mayo there, but it'll be enough.
I'm adding more,
Oh, okay.
as it's us.
Should this be going in the fridge, or are you not bothering because...
Yes, I'm going to cut it now,
Okay.
and it'll be a
It's
mess.
partly because I'm going on a train shortly. So one of our tricks for getting neat and tidy sandwiches is to pop these in cling film, cling wrap, in the fridge for half an hour or more. And what happens is the butter kind of sets and holds the thing perfectly so that when you cut it, there's no wriggle and the whole thing is amenable to being cut into perfectly sharp slices. Oh, you're getting the lemon as well.
This is my favourite sandwich, chicken and salmon. It's on somewhere.
It is, but avocado is a new addition.
Yeah,
Okay.
a bit more
But I
mayo.
bought you sushi for lunch.
So-
I think there's something else to
No,
have
don't
for
look at
supper.
this.
What's she doing? What's she doing?
Just needs a bit more mayonnaise.
Okay. Are you double dipping?
No, Not at all.
Well, I like the look of your sandwich now. So you're not bothering to chill these because we're in a hurry and I've got to catch a train. I'm going on stage as an influencer. Me.
That's yours.
Yes, I might have that. What you're aiming for is square. Is that not quite square, but pretty square? It'll do, as we're in a hurry. Oi, stop with the squishy hands. Right, so one of the sandwiches is used as the template for the other, and that way you get even. That's important for the final presentation.
It really does need to go in the fridge to fill them up, though.
A train goes soon. So you're going to do your best without the fridge technique. And of course, have a bit of garnish at the ready. We tend to think about the garnish at the beginning of the process. Have we got any? What will it be? All right. The sawing action in this very good serrated knife prevents filling A oozing into filling B. If you did a cut, you wouldn't get such good results. You're regretting not chilling it, aren't you?
Yes.
Our son George bought Roger this knife last Christmas before.
Yeah.
It's got a lion on it, isn't it? Orient with a lion. Or a tiger it might be. Anyway, it came from the internet. Go searching if you like it. But serrated is the key. Right, first sandwich in. I think if you put it in my box, I get to keep it. And then he turns it around. Whoop. Because what we're looking for is brown, white, brown, white.
We wouldn't normally
White,
do
brown,
two
white.
sloppy fillings.
Well, all right. Does look moist and tasty though. Perfect for a picnic. I like the look of this. Could I swap one of my fingers here for you? One of... No.
Costume.
Done. Oh, done. And then these boxes fold over, as you can imagine. Lovely. Some for Jane. Some for Jane. Thank you, darling. Oh, none for Jane.